Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to season your wood cutting board. It's a really simple process that only takes a few minutes. When you chop on your cutting board, your knife ends up making all these little grooves in your board, and you can feel them when you run your fingers across there, so what we're going to do is knock those down. What you need is a spare piece of wood because it's nice and flat, 120 grit sandpaper, this is going to be the coarse one, a 320 grit sandpaper, this is going to be the fine one that we're going to use at the end, and some butcher block seasoning oil. Just wrap your sandpaper around your piece of wood and just start sanding in one direction. I'm just sanding to take off all the high spots that are on the cutting board. You can keep sanding down as far as you need to. You can see the wood dust starting to build up at the end of the cutting board. Wipe down the cutting board with a damp paper towel and then switch over to your 320 grit sandpaper and keep sanding. So sanding your cutting board isn't necessary every single time that you season it, but I do it once a year just to make sure that the cutting board stays nice and smooth and I don't get all these little wood pieces in my food. Once you're done sanding, wash your cutting board with soap and water and let it fully dry before we season it. The last thing we need to do is apply our oil and rub it in with a paper towel. Don't be worried if you're a little heavy on the oil, it will soak into the board. You don't need to season your cutting board every day, I just wait until it looks a little dried out, then season it overnight. Thanks for watching my video on how to season a wood cutting board. If you found value in this video, leave me a comment. You can follow me on my Instagram at @AChefAndASpoon to see what I'm working on next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.